Hey, Tim Ross here with you with City of Owensboro and the Owensboro Air Show. So excited that we were able to experience today with STEM event with a couple hundred high school students from around Owensboro here at the airport. Just a chance to be able to connect them with the aviation industry. You know, people see the air show each fall and they love the planes. It's entertaining, it's thrilling, it's motivating, but we want to give students a chance that are interested in aviation to have the chance to kind of get a little bit more inside look, talk to some pilots one-on-one, everything from agricultural crop dusters to charter pilots to air evac medical choppers to the Army to the Air Force to the Kentucky Air National Guard folks. So a great opportunity for these students to get hands-on, climb in some planes, and really pique that interest in aviation to say that's just something I want to pursue, and give them a chance to be able to connect one-on-one with those. So excited to be able to do that as one small aspect of what Owensboro Air Show does and helping these students to get a little bit closer connection with aviation.
It's a heck of an experience for real. I've always wanted to be in a plane. I haven't got a chance to do that yet.
Today's just been such a great experience, hearing from different perspectives, like from the military, from hobbyist planes, or like evac planes over there.
So all these guys are like sharing their experiences and sharing their how much money that it takes, and it's definitely a great time.
Again, a great opportunity here with the Owensboro Air Show. Every fall it happens, but a great opportunity just to connect those students and to do something in the spring, remind people about the air show and the connections we've got to bring in these military as well as civilian folks, but a good opportunity to kind of whet the appetite for these students to be able to enjoy aviation and get that inside peek.